Hi, now we will create a new custom plugin and also we'll create a new Cordova application and we will consume the custom plugin in our application. So this application will give you the addition of two integer and it will show the result in our Cordova application. So in this section I have added one resource, Cordova plugin creation.pdf. You can download it and you can follow along with it. So I have already downloaded this. And also if you don't have Visual Studio Code, then you can download from here. I suppose you have already installed it. So I have downloaded this PDF file and also I will just use this terminal. Okay, you can open the terminal in MacBook or command line interface in Windows. So first thing, we'll check our Node.js and Cordova and npm. So I'm using just latest version, Cordova -v. Okay, so everything accordingly I'm just using this one, Node 12.7.0, npm 6.11.2 and Cordova 9. Next thing, you need plugman. Basically plugman is to manage your Cordova plugin. You can create Cordova plugin using plugman. So if I have already installed plugman, you can install plugman using npm install -g plugman. If you are in MacBook or Linux, you can just use sudo. Okay, next thing, I'll just create one new file, mkdir plugin demo. Okay, now we will go to desktop, cd desktop. So we don't have anything on desktop. We'll create one folder, plugin demo, mkdir plugin demo. So here plugin demo is created. Right now it's empty, as you can see. I'll just make it down. So here you can see plugin demo. Okay, right now it's empty. So next we will go to that cd plugin demo and now we will write this plugman create name and name of your plugin. Basically you can write Cordova dash plugin dash and your plugin name, how we download Cordova dash plugin dash device dash camera or something like that. So or you can write as your own. So I'm just writing Cordova custom plugin and then plugin ID you can give such as package name for Java and bundle identifier for iOS application and the plugin version. So I'll just copy this and I will just paste it here and I'll just make it enter. So here you can see already I have created one file. In that we have plugin source and www. So in source we don't have anything right now, so we have add one plugin for a specific platform, Android, iOS, browser or desktop, anything. So currently I'm creating this plugin for Android platform, so we have to add the platform. So for that you can use this command plugman platform add and the platform name Android. I'll just copy this and I'll paste it here. So we have to go inside that plugin. So I'll just make it cd Cordova plugin. Okay, so now we are into that plugin. Now we can add the platform. Okay, so platform plugin, platform plugman platform add the platform name Android. Okay, so we have added. So here you can see the new Android folder is generated and also one file is generated, Cordova custom plugin.java. Okay, so now we will modify this. So what we'll do, we'll just open this plugin in our code editor. We'll just open in code space dash space dot. Okay, so it will open in code editor. Now we'll modify our Java file. So this is our Java file. Okay, so basically in same call method we can consume in our JavaScript file in our application. Okay, so I'll just modify this line only. Okay, so you can follow along with this one. We'll just create two integer int argument1 equal to argument dot get int and 0 1, and another is also I'll create the same int 1. Okay, this is second argument, then argument dot get int and then 1, right? And then we'll pass this in result. We'll add one more integer. We'll create int result equal to argument 1 plus argument 2. Okay, so now this result will pass in our callback context. So next we'll write callback context here, callback context dot success, and in this we'll pass our success result. So we'll just write result and then we'll pass this result. Okay, that's it. We don't have to do anything else. Whatever result will be, it will pass in this callback method. Okay, so now okay, so another thing is we have to generate one more step. We have to generate one JSON file. Okay, so here how to create a package.json. So this package.json will read by our Cordova application, right? So we'll just do like this: plugin create package.json, and this is the folder where this is the path where your application means plugin is there, right? So I have plugin and I am in the same command line. So just you can write dot is for home directory of that plugin. So there only they will generate one package.json. I'll copy this and I will add this here. As you can see, it will generate one package.json here. I'll just paste it here. Okay, now I'll just make it more clear. You can see package name, they are taking the default from the plugin previously. You can just leave as usual, just press enter, and then version also they are taking 1, enter, and description you can write anything. I'll just write this plugin will add 2 integer and will show the result in application. Okay, so this description they will take automatically. Now Git repository, if you have Git repository you can give, or else I don't have right now Git repository, so I'll leave as usual. And then author you can write anything. I'll just write my name Gaurav Kumar. License if you have then fine, or else just you can leave as usual ISC, and they will show you this package.json will generate for you. If this is fine then just press yes. Okay, you can press enter and they will generate a package.json. So you can review here same thing, package.json, you can review all those things here, right? So name, version, description, the description I have given, plugin will add 2 integer and result will show in the application, and the ID and platform only we have added Android. Okay, so later on you can create it for iOS also, desktop also, for browser as well, right? So everywhere it will work then. So author it takes already, and license. Okay, so now everything is done for my plugin. Now we will create Cordova application. Okay, I'll just close this as of now, then I'll just clear the screen and I'll come out from plugin. So we are here Okay, so now clear the screen. Now we will create a new Cordova application.